Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm talking about Bitcoin, a cryptocurrency that has revolutionized the financial world. We'll discuss what Bitcoin is, how it works, its future, and most importantly, I'll give you price predictions for Bitcoin over the next 10 years. Plus, at the end, I'll show you a few methods on how you can earn Bitcoin for free. Stay with me till the end. Let's get started. Part 1. What is Bitcoin and how does it work? Bitcoin is the first decentralized cryptocurrency created in 2009 by an individual or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Unlike traditional money issued by governments, Bitcoin operates on a technology called blockchain. What is blockchain? Blockchain is a digital ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions in a secure and transparent way. Each transaction is verified by thousands of computers on the network, making it nearly impossible to falsify data or transactions. What does decentralization mean? Bitcoin is not controlled by any central authority, like a bank or government. Anyone can participate in the network, and transactions occur directly between users without intermediaries. Part 2. Bitcoin potential and advantages. 1. Inflation resistance. Bitcoin has a limited supply of 21 million coins, meaning it cannot be printed or produced beyond that amount, unlike traditional money. This makes Bitcoin a deflationary currency. 2. Fast global transfers. Unlike traditional banking systems, Bitcoin transfers happen quickly, 24/7, anywhere in the world, and they are significantly cheaper. 3. Censorship resistance. Due to its decentralized nature, no entity can shut down the Bitcoin network or block transactions. Part 3. Bitcoin price predictions over the next 10 years. Now let's talk about the interesting part, the future price of Bitcoin. Of course, no prediction is guaranteed, but based on past trends and market analysis, we can try to make some estimates. 1. In 1 year, by 2025, many in the industry predict Bitcoin could be valued between $100,000 and $150,000. The reasons include continued institutional adoption and potential clearer regulations in many countries. 2. In 3 years, by 2027, Bitcoin could reach $200,000 or even $300,000, depending on how fast blockchain technologies evolve and its widespread acceptance as a payment method. 3. In 7 years, by 2031, Bitcoin's price could be somewhere between $500,000 and $1,000, as its limited supply and increasing demand will have a large impact on its value. More governments may also recognize it as a legitimate financial asset. 4. In 10 years, by 2034, Bitcoin could potentially hit $1,000 or more, becoming a global digital gold. During this time, Bitcoin might be used as a store of value similar to gold but more efficient and accessible. Note: these estimates are based on current trends, but the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, so prices can fluctuate dramatically. Part 4. How to earn Bitcoin for free. Now, let's get practical. How can you earn Bitcoin without buying it directly? 1. Bitcoin faucets. These are websites that offer small amounts of Bitcoin for free to attract users. Although the earnings are small, they are a good starting point for beginners. Some examples include freebitco.in and Cointoply. 2. Cloud mining. While traditional mining requires expensive equipment, cloud mining allows you to rent computing power from a company that handles the mining. Be sure to choose legitimate companies, as there are many scams in this industry. 3. Participating in airdrops. Sometimes new cryptocurrency projects offer airdrops, distributing free coins to users who meet certain conditions, such as following the project on social media or using specific platforms. 4. Bitcoin earning games. There are games that reward you with Bitcoin for completing tasks. Examples include mobile games like Bitcoin Blast or Bitcoin Pop. So, Bitcoin is much more than just a digital currency. It's a global financial revolution. While it's volatile and complex, its long-term potential is huge, and who knows, one day it might be as widely used as traditional money. If you believe in its potential, it's worth staying informed and being aware of opportunities in this space. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more videos on cryptocurrencies and other ways to make money online, and leave a comment with your questions. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.